Hello folks, this is Johnny again, and look at this! I got a box! I got me a new audio interface. Finally! Reason for that is I wanna record some more videos again, and honestly, the Scarlett 6i6 first generation is giving me a lot of trouble, and it's just no fun anymore working with it. I made a couple of videos about the troubles I had with it already. For example, the mic preamp would get super noisy after 10 to 15 minutes of recording, which is so annoying. And well, the DI quality is pretty rubbish to begin with, and then it also doesn't have a loop back feature, so I can directly record the audio from my PC, meaning also the audio from Studio One, directly into another application like Reaper. I always had to change the cables on the back of the interface to connect the two SPDIF ports, the input to the output, so I can record the audio again. And that's also super annoying. And now I got me the Presonus Studio 68. This one does have a loopback feature, which I'm looking very much forward to, and I hope the preamps for the mics are good, and I also hope the DI quality is good too, because I don't really want to use the pod in my recording chain anymore. It's just the fewer things in my chain the better. I like to be super minimalistic as possible, just so it's simpler and stuff works. Power cord, very important. USB cable, very important. And here's the SPDIF and MIDI cable. So the ports for those are not directly on the interface, but you have an extra cable for that. That's fine, I guess, as long as I have those available. What's in here? And the power supply. Okay, very nice. So, feature-wise, this audio interface... Okay, where does it open? You gotta be gentle. Okay, I'm always super gentle with opening stuff because it has something therapeutic. Come on! It's still cold. Very nice. So feature-wise, this has very similar stuff going on like the 6i6 here, with the number of inputs and outputs and MIDI and digital inputs and outputs and what have you. But with the added loopback feature, I very much am looking forward to working with this one. It's also the same price range. This one cost me 280 bucks now. So, remove this entire label. Entfernen Sie dieses Etikett vollständig. Don't tell me what to do. Oh, those knobs, they are very... Nothing is loose, they're all very nice and tight, so nothing could get accidentally shifted around. Okay, okay. So now I gotta hook it up and install the drivers. And hopefully it works right off the bat, and then I just have to test it out over the next couple of days or weeks, however I got time. So definitely look forward to more videos coming up now that I have this one. It should be more fun making videos, and I also got more time on my hands now. I got a new part-time job, so I have enough time for other stuff as well. Yeah, I'm looking forward to more videos because I have a lot of ideas. Also fun ideas. I'm planning on making a new kind of series called Mix Challenges, in which I will put myself on some kind of restraint, or I give myself some kind of limit, and then I have to mix within that limit or that boundary. For example, mixing only with stock plugins, or mixing without any plugins and just on the master box have plugins, stuff like that. And just see what happens. or speed mixing. How fast can I mix and get a decent mix out of it? So yeah, that's something to look forward to. Oh, in case you're wondering, you may or may not have watched my recent video in which I got me a new guitar. This is the LTD TE200, and now I put new pickups in here. Those are the Seymour Duncan Invaders in white. I thought this looks so cool. Now I actually got that kind of panda look that I tried to get with this piece of tragedy here. This was an Ibanez Geo that I tried to paint myself and didn't quite go as I hoped. Yeah, now I have this guitar again to fiddle around with. I was thinking of painting this in black 2.0. It's the darkest black you can get on the market. And supposedly it's so black that you can barely even make out any three-dimensional. Supposedly it's so black you can't even quite make out the three-dimensional shape of whatever you paint it with. So that should be interesting, but I've read mixed results and mixed reviews, so we'll see how that goes. It's just a kind of experiment I wanted to do, see what happens. You know, this is worth barely anything. The most worthy thing on this guitar is the pickup, which is also Seymour Duncan Invader. I might take it out and just sell it and then experiment with this guitar however I want. Alright, and now I'm off to working on this thing about the album. It's coming along slowly but surely. Brian just finished recording the most complex and longest song on this album, and I'm currently working on mixing it, and it's, wow, so much fun. So much fun. I'm really looking forward to releasing that album. So yeah, as I said, look forward to some more new stuff, and I will see you next time.